I'm the HVAC repair guy. Before my 17 years in the field, I was an electrician in nuclear power, where precision isn't a suggestion, it's the law. In my world, good enough is a dangerous phrase. When you're picking a mini split, you're not just buying an appliance, you're buying a piece of electrical and mechanical infrastructure. Today, we're putting two premium category heavy hitters in the ring: the American Standard Stealth Series and the GE Endure Series. Let's start with the build. In 17 years, I've seen salt air and humidity turn a high dollar condenser into a pile of junk in no time. The American Standard Stealth unit comes with a coated coil designed to fight off that corrosion. The GE Endure matches that with its bluefin technology. From a field perspective, both are built for the long haul, but the American Standard feels like it was designed by folks who know what a service wrench looks like. Efficiency and tech are where the rubber meets the road. The GE Endure is a monster here, boasting a SEER 2 rating of 27.5. The American Standard Stealth comes in at a SEER 2 of 21.5. As a former electrician, I look at the inverter tech. Both use variable speed compressors to eliminate inrush current, that massive spike of electricity when a motor starts. The GE uses an APAM DC inverter, which is designed for high performance and maximum comfort by smoothing out those power draws. Now, let's talk money. For a standard 12,000 BTU single zone setup, the GE Endure equipment will run you about $1,410 to $1,620. Total installed price, including labor and materials, usually averages between $3,500 and $5,000. The American Standard Stealth unit is priced right there with it. You're paying a slight premium for the GE, but you're getting a much higher efficiency rating for that investment. Before we crown a winner, remember that these units are only as good as the maintenance you give them. Clean those indoor filters every month. If they clog, your efficiency tanking is the least of your worries. You'll end up with a frozen coil and a flooded floor. In the warranty battle, it's a tight race. American Standard includes a 10-year warranty on the compressor and parts. GE also offers a 10-year parts and compressor warranty, keeping them neck and neck in the reliability department. The verdict? I'm calling it for the GE Endure series. While I have massive respect for American Standard's rugged build, the GE Endure wins because of that massive 27.5 SEER 2 rating and the APAM inverter tech. In the long run, the electricity you save makes it the smarter pick for your bottom line. Shop like a pro and use our comparison tool to find the perfect fit for your home.